Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution is a way of eating that was developed by Dr. John McDougall. It is a starch-centered diet and it is whole food, plant-based, no oil. I will leave a link to Dr. John McDougall's book, The Starch Solution, in the description box if you'd like to learn more about it. But basically what it is that you will be eating whole food, plant-based foods, and you will be eating carbs, but they will be whole food carbs like potatoes and rice, sweet potatoes. And then you will also be eating lots and lots of non-starchy vegetables and a lot of greens, and like I said, no oil. And on my channel you will find whole food, plant-based recipes that are also gluten-free. So if all that sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you feel you need some more support, I do have a Facebook group, which is a safe place that we can talk, we can exchange recipes, we can talk about our struggles, our wins, get some inspiration and some accountability. And I will also leave a link to that in the description box below. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick weeknight dinner. I work full-time as a nurse, and when I come home I'm usually really hungry and I don't want to spend a lot of time putting things together. I mean, I do have a lot of things prepped, but sometimes I just want to be able to come home and throw something together. So I'm going to be showing you how to make hummus tacos. These are really easy, really quick, and really healthy. So let's get started. Now these are totally customizable. I have 2 corn tortillas here, which the way I get them crispy is I just put them on the stove top right over the flame. You can put them in a toaster oven, you can put them in the microwave if you don't want the crispiness, just want them soft. So any way you want to do it is okay. And then I've just got some fat-free hummus that I'm going to put on each one. Good amount. And this is at room temperature right now, but you can, I've done it cold, I've done it where I've heated it up for a little bit. It doesn't matter, any way is good. And then on top of that, I put a little bit of my plant-based cheese. And to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of red onion. Like I said, you could do whatever you would like. If you wanted to put olives on here, green onions, it's, you know, anything goes. I'm just giving you the guidelines here. I also like to put on a little bit of avocado, not a whole lot, but you don't need a whole lot, just to get that feeling of avocado. So I usually put about 3 little chunks on there, and then I will put on a little bit of shredded lettuce. This is just romaine, as much as you'd like. And then I just quartered a cherry tomato, and I'll put a little bit of that on there. And lastly, I just put on some salsa, whatever salsa you would like. This happens to be jarred salsa, but if you would like to make your own, I have a recipe on my channel for that as well. Just depends on how much time I have. So sometimes I have jarred, sometimes I have homemade. Okay, those are the tacos, and let me show you what I pair it with. And then I'm going to pair it with this new item from Trader Joe's. It's a red lentil chickpea grain. It's very much like rice-a-roni, if you remember that, but a lot healthier. I mean, low sodium, low fat. It's delicious. And what I like to do is just put a little drizzle of my cheese sauce on there. And you could absolutely add some veggies, which most of the time I do. I will add some broccoli or green beans or something, but you know, sometimes this is just what I want, and that's okay. So that is about as simple as it can get. And how long did that take to put together? So you can come home and be eating very quickly. So there they are, beautiful tacos, my little rice-a-roni San Francisco treat. Who remembers that commercial? So good. It's got a very nutty flavor. I like it. So I hope you like this quick and easy recipe, quick and easy weeknight dinner, lunch, whatever you want to do. And if you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also check out my new Facebook group. I think you'll like it. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. And all my recipes are good for you, good for the animals, and good for the planet. Until next time, thank you. And on my channel, you will find many recipes. And on my... Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick... Today I'm going to be showing you...